Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back on the first impression video. It's from the house of Tom Ford. It's a 2017 release, and it's Tom Ford Noir Anthracite. I'm going to let you know how I feel about it. It's coming right up. Here's my first impression of Tom Ford Noir 2017 Anthracite. This is a presentation of a little sample I got. I went to Nordstrom earlier today and I just looking around fragrances, and they did have the new Tom Ford Lost Cherry. So my scent of the day is the new Tom Ford Lost Cherry. It's a real heavy dose of blast cherry so far. I really like it. I'm going to have a first impression that coming really soon. I have a sample bottle on its way to my house. At the time, they didn't have samples where I can get Lost Cherry. I wish they did, but I smelled it and the bottle looks amazing. It's beautiful. The price is pretty heavy, but I got a sample coming in the mail, and once I get it, I will upload that video for you guys, let you know how I feel about it virtually. What is your scent of the day, ladies and gentlemen? Please leave a comment below, let me know. So let's get back to this Tom Ford Noir Anthracite. So this fragrance here came out in 2017, and the price for this right here, the Tom Ford Noir, here's the inside of it. The price for this, the big full bottle, you're looking at a 1.7 ounce, 50 ml for $122, and a 3.4 ounce 100 ml bottle for $177. I saw this on Sephora. I was trying to look online for cheaper prices, but I couldn't find. If you guys know a cheaper price for this, please leave a comment below, let me know. I checked on Frantica.com. I checked on FragranceNet.com. I checked at Macy's. Here are some of the notes in it. We have for Tom Ford Noir Anthracite: patchouli, pink pepper, spicy, wood, Italian, bergamot, black pepper, violet, flower, clary sage, amber, civet, vanilla, nutmeg. There's a lot of notes on this fragrance here. So I'm going to give you an initial spray and see how it smells. Tom Ford Noir Anthracite. Spray it here. So initial spray, gonna get the really spicy black pepper. That's what I get off initial spray. I get a little bit of the ginger in it, but mostly it's a real heavy dose of spicy in this fragrance here. Do I like it so far? It's okay. It's really spicy, where I'm not sure if a lot of people are going to like this fragrance around me when I wear it, but I'm definitely going to do some wearings and see how it smells. My brother has a couple of the Tom Ford Noir fragrance. He doesn't have this one, but he has the other one, and I'm going to have to try that one and compare them. So far, it's okay. It's just really heavy spicy to me, so, well, to my nose. The price is pretty steep on this, and the bottle is like this. So the 1.7 ounces like this. The presentation is really nice. Tom Ford makes nice presentations. I do have to give them that for credit. This is the bottle right here, Tom Ford Noir Anthracite. So I like it so far. So is my favorite? I don't think so. I do like it. If you tried this fragrance here, please leave a comment below, let me know. Are you guys going to pick up the new Tom Ford Lost Cherry? Please leave a comment, let me know if you tried it or if you're going to pick it up. I know it's $325 for a small bottle, but let me know. Thanks for watching this video. I have more fragrance videos coming soon. If you're not subscribed to my channel, all I ask is this video is about to end. Please click the subscribe button so you support my channel, and I appreciate that a lot. Hit the like button. If you want to take it a step further, leave a comment, let me know you subscribe to my channel so I can let you enter you in my next fragrance giveaway coming up real soon. Thanks for everybody for subscribing to my channel. I just reached 3,000 subscribers, and I'm working on reaching 4,000 and so on. Thanks for watching my video. Until my next fragrance video, ladies and gentlemen, goodbye.